Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a DIY with a mirror I found at a thrift store that I will show you in a few seconds. But I was questioning what to do with it till I came across this picture. And I thought I could use it as an inspiration for this mirror. So this is the mirror I was talking about. It was only €2.50. And I will try to show you the back. So the previous owner had this on it, but also a little hook here. But I'm going to hang it up like this. And here I have my bamboo sticks, my very big and professional cutting scissors, and also some strong glue. So I'm just going to try some things out and make a pattern and see what I like. So that was a very simple DIY for the mirror. And I know this is going to be a very short video. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that I got at a thrift store on the thrift store adventure where I did not film. So I'm just going to show you a couple of things that I found. So I found these little metal coasters. So on top of them are a lot of old cars. And for this whole bunch I paid €1.50. It's stuck in here. And I thought it was a very good deal. And I couldn't find a lot about them. The thing I could find was that normally, well, I don't know if it's normal, but on the back there are magnets. And you have a big tray also from the middle, and then the magnets will get stuck on there. And I don't know if it's for decoration purpose or really to serve drinks on, but I just really liked the colors and the vibe they have. So the next thing I found, and I still have to clean this up, but I found this Pluto sketch, and it says Pluto's housewarming. Yep, and very small. It says original story sketch of Pluto, and then it says this number. I don't know how many there are made, but mine is number 4869. And I thought it was very cool. Now, for the last thing, I found this super pretty vase. And I've been searching for something like this for a long time now, but when I saw something, I did not like the shape, but I did like the print. And sometimes I did not like the print, but I did like the shape. And with this one, I really like everything about it. And it was very cheap. It was €3.50. So I don't think I'm going to put flowers in it, but it's just a piece of decoration with a lot of flowers on them. So that was it for this video. I really hope you liked it, and if you do like it, please like the video, and if you like my channel or want to see more, you can subscribe to it, and I will see you next time. Nee. En de jaartal?